everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I bring you content on clean beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. Today's video is going to be a nighttime routine, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my hair back with this little cute headband. I got these in a pack of 5, I think, from Amazon. I'll have them linked below for you guys. These are like a necessity because when you have bangs, you know how hard it is to like put oil on your face and not get it in your bangs. Yeah, that's life. So the first product I'm going to use is going to be my first cleanse. This is the Lindstrom Skin Pendulum Potion. This is an oil cleanser. So I usually take a couple pumps in my hand, shake it up first. Probably like 3 or 4 pumps. And this is really good at removing makeup. And it smells amazing. So I just rub this into a dry face. I already did this step, but after our oil cleanse, I like to go in with a second cleanser. This is the Indie Lee Rosehip Cleanser. I love this. As you can tell, I'm almost out of it. I'll have this linked in the description. It's probably my all-time favorite cleanser, so definitely check it out. Next step is toner. I'm going to be using the Siam Yen Heal and Hydrate Toner. I love this toner a lot. This was in a Beauty Heroes box last month, I believe. It has 28 botanical extracts, and it has a mister on it, but it's really too thick to spray on your face, so I just take a couple sprays into my hand, and then I like to just pat it in. It feels so nice and so hydrating. It's probably one of my favorite products. That toner retails for $90, but I got it in the Beauty Heroes box. And a 3-month subscription is $115. I filmed a video of this month's box. I unboxed it for you guys, so check that out if you haven't seen it already. It was an awesome brand, and I'm honestly blown away so far by the products I've received in that box. Now that all of that is done, it's serum time, which are my favorite skincare products. Let me know in the comments what your favorite step of your skincare routine is. So the first product I'm going to start with is the clearing serum from Kypris. I like to focus on the area I get blemishes the most, which is my chin and around my mouth area. You can put this just on blemish areas, or you could put it all over your skin. I just like to do that with the extra. After that, I'm going to use another serum from Kypris. This is their Moonlight Catalyst. This is an overnight chemical exfoliant. I get some on my fingertips and just rub this over. I love those Kypris serums because they don't pill if you layer them. So if you do have all 3 of them, they work beautifully together. When you put serums on, don't put them in the palm of your hand, put them on your fingertips because a lot of the product will absorb into your palm if you start it that way. Just put it on the tips of your fingers and then really pat it into your skin. So the last serum I'm going to use is the Kypris Antioxidant Dew. Yes, I'm using all 3 Kypris serums because I love them all. This one is more hydrating, and a review of all 3 of these serums will be up soon, so keep an eye out for that. Make sure you're subscribed. After I do my serums, I like to go in with the Province Apothecary Full Brow Serum on the tips of my fingers, and I'll rub this into my brows. This was in a Petit Vour box, and it honestly works wonders. If you have sparse brows and need something to grow them, I would check this out. I think you could get this mini size on their website. You only need the smallest amount, and you can just really rub it in. For my moisturizers, I'm going to mix a couple. This is from Wabi Sabi Botanicals. This is Formula Intensive 1 Light Reveal. This has sea buckthorn oil in it, so it's a really bright orange color. So I like to take like the smallest amount of this, and I like to mix it with Blemish Correct. If you guys don't already know, I'm a Wabi Sabi Botanicals ambassador. I'll have their website linked in my bio, but I'm honestly so impressed with their products. Like, I'll write a full review soon, but you guys need to try these out. They're so good. So as you can see, the sea buckthorn is like orange when you put it on, but it rubs in good. Now these aren't super oily, they sink in fast, which is what I really like about them. They don't leave like an oily residue on your face, they just kind of sink in. On areas where I get blemishes, I like to use the Zabana Essentials Tamanu Calendula Anti-Blemish Face Balm. This was also in a Petit Vour box a couple months back, and I'm almost out of this mini size. It's so amazing and really affordable. I think you could get this mini size for $15. I think their bigger size is $30, but I'll have it linked below. I actually took way too much of this on my fingers, but whatever. Smells so good too. It's like citronella, which I love. If you don't like citronella, you probably won't like this. So this balm is really soothing and moisturizing. I love using it. I definitely have to repurchase the full size. I kind of like to do like a mini face massage while I rub this in. I don't really have a technique, I just like do it. So after I brush my teeth a couple times a week, I really like to use this Luxury Smile Club. This is their 100% activated coconut charcoal. I really love using this bamboo toothbrush with it. It already has the black charcoal infused bristles so it doesn't ruin your normal toothbrush. If you guys aren't familiar with charcoal and how it whitens your teeth, let me read you the description on it. Activated coconut charcoal helps whiten teeth while promoting good oral health by changing the pH balance in your mouth, helping prevent cavities, bad breath, and gum disease. It works to whiten teeth by absorbing plaque and microscopic particles that stain teeth. Activated coconut charcoal is cost-effective, all-natural, cruelty-free alternative to improve your oral health naturally. My hands are so slippery I can't get it open. Oh, I got it.